Right guys, so welcome back. In this video we're going to continue the work on the Golf GTD. As you guys saw in the last video, we got the car delivered, we managed to start the car and get it moving, and we brought it inside the workshop. Now yesterday was a very busy day for us. We were shopping for the parts, the damaged parts of this car, and we have bought quite a few stuff. So we have got the complete dash, we got the roof curtain airbags, we've got the seat belts, we've got the knee airbag, and we also got the door in the same color. So yeah, all of those parts have been paid for, and it's about 2 hours drive away. So we're gonna set off, go collect those parts, bring them down, and then we're gonna move on to removing all the damaged parts from the interior of this car and start replacing the parts. I don't think we'll have much time left when we get back, but we'll start the work on it. We'll do as much as we can, and then hopefully probably finish it off tomorrow. And the only thing that we have left after these parts is the front wing, the headlights, and the wheel. And hopefully that will be getting delivered this week sometime as well. So hopefully this car will be done within the week. But yeah, for now we've got a very long drive ahead of us. So I'm just gonna set off, go collect those parts, and then catch up with you guys when we get back, and then we'll start removing all the parts and getting this car sorted. So you know what, let's go. Right, time to set off and get these parts. We've got a long drive ahead, and let the journey begin. Right, so we just go back, and these are the parts. So this is the front door that we have. It's in the exact same color and the same trim line. So we got the same door right there. And then if you come across, obviously this is the car right there. We have removed the old smashed up door, which is further down there. The wing you saw us remove in the last video as well. All of the airbag, the dashboard, everything's got to come off from this car. And this is the replacement dashboard. So as you can see, there's no problem. That's all good, very good condition. So we've got that one, and these are the airbags. So we've got the roof curtain airbags together with the knee airbag and the seat belts and stuff. So yeah, let's start the work on the car. We need to start removing all these parts. We've already kind of started. So all the side trims and the seat belts have already been removed, and then we're going to move on to removing the headliner, all of these parts, and start replacing these parts. So yeah, and this is the damaged door. Look at it. Wow, this door is smashed up. But you know what? We're going to replace that. We're going to transfer this door card over. But apart from that, the door card and the wing mirror, everything else is already on that door anyway. So you know what? Let's begin. so we finally removed the headliner, and this is absolutely pain to remove the headliner of these cars because the clips they have used. But nonetheless, the headliner is out, and now we can access the curtain airbags, as you can see on the side. So we can remove these curtain airbags and then replace them with the replacement that we have. But yeah, as you can see, that is how the car looks right now. So yeah, let's move on to removing these and replacing the airbags. Right, so the roof curtain airbags are finally out, as you can see. Absolutely pain to remove, as well as the seat belts and a few other parts right there. So yeah, that's how the car looks. And it's going to be much easier to put the replacement parts on. They're just literally going to clip into place. So that part should be easier. But this was an absolute pain to do. But yeah, let's put the curtain airbags on, put all the seat belts and stuff in place, and then we can move on to removing the dash, because that's a lot of work right there. We're going to remove the complete dash and then replace it with the new one. So let's go. Right, so we have finally put the headliner back in the car. All the airbags and everything are in place. And now we need to move on to the biggest job yet, which is the front dashboard. So we're going to start off by removing the center console, the glove box, the steering wheel and all the necessary parts, and get this dashboard replaced with the replacement that we have. At the same time, we've had the delivery of the front wheel, so that needs to go in for a tire replacement tomorrow, put a new tire on there. And then after today, the only thing that's left on this car is the front wing and the front headlights. So we have been making some great progress, and I wanted to finish this car within a week, so we are right on track. We still have a few days left, but yeah, let's continue the work and let's get this dashboard out the way. Let's go. So I have finally put all the dash and everything back in place, as you can see right there. The interior of this car is almost complete, or it is actually complete. As you can see, the headliner is back in place, all the airbags has been replaced, and the new replacement dashboard that we have, that's in place. The only thing that's missing on this car right now in terms of the interior is the steering wheel airbag, but that has already been ordered and is currently in transit. So yeah, we've spent long 2 days on this car, replacing the interior and stuff on this car. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for tuning in and watching it. Make sure you hit that like button, share this with your friends, and we will see you next time.